Hi, it's Christa with ArtisticVegan.com. Welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. I missed you and I hope you missed me too. Today we are making a baked cheesecake, and the reason is because we had a request on the recent cream cheese that we had made on the channel, and I had a couple people asking if you can take that cream cheese and make a cheesecake, and I'm imagining you can, but I'm not sure, I hadn't done it. So today we'll be giving that a try and seeing how it comes together. So for this recipe, you'll need my cream cheese recipe, and I increased it by a factor of 10, so I could get 5 whole cups, since it only makes about a half cup. And then just save any balance. And then you'll also need my vegan sour cream recipe, or you could buy some. In addition to that, you'll need some lemon, vegan egg, you can use it psyllium-based or chia seed or flax, some salt, vanilla, sugar, all-purpose flour, and then whatever you want to top it. So it's not too many ingredients, and we're not gonna be doing the water bath. It's not gonna be super complicated. We're gonna keep things easy, and I don't think that you'll see any cracks. So let's get into how to make it. To begin, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, lightly grease your springform pan, and then take some tin foil and wrap it on the outside of it just in case anything leaks out, then you're completely safe. Go ahead and set that aside. Then in a large bowl, you want to mix together your crust ingredients, and you can use graham cracker crumbs, or I used pecans and ground them up into a fine crumb, so you could use your favorite nut or seed, or you can go ahead and use the graham cracker. So use your favorite. And then I added CBD oil, but you could use regular oil of choice, or you could even go oil-free and use a nut butter here. And then you'll also want a little coconut sugar. Give that a mix until it comes together like sand, and then place that into the base of the springform pan and press it down really firmly until you have your crust. Place that in the preheated oven for 8 minutes and let it bake for 8 minutes, and then remove it and set it aside. While that's baking, you can make your filling. For the filling, you just mix everything together. I took my beaters and mixed it for about 1 minute until it was well combined. You can also do this in a standing mixer or with a whisk. Once it comes together, then just pour it on top of your crust, pop it in the oven, and you'll want to bake it for 1 hour and 20 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. My oven, it is a little hotter, so I only took mine for an hour. So watch it and judge based on your oven. If yours is a consistent 325, it should be exactly 1 hour and 20 minutes with a little bit of golden on the outside, a little wobble in the center, and that's exactly how you want it because it's going to set up in the fridge. Then once you're done, just remove it from the oven, let it cool 100%. This takes quite some time, so just leave it alone, let it cool 100%, and then you just place it in your fridge overnight. I did put a little saran wrap on top just to keep any other fragrances off of it. The next day, then you can top it and decorate it however you please. I heated up some berries and I made a little preserves. I'm gonna put that on top with some berries and it'll be just lovely. And I'm gonna serve that today to some guests. So I'll show you a little bit later how it turns out and how people like it. So thanks for watching. This has been Christa with ArtisticVegan.com. You can get the recipe there, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
It is me too. I'm like, is that real? I don't know what. But the speed, really.
The chest came up by itself. It listed all the bony, the separated radius, you know. Didn't really. Lori Ivey and Justin Pilcher and Omar the Egyptian Sheik, Ewida and Jerome, Papa Puetz.
Well, I'd say at first I thought this bone was up high, and that's coming down here. These chains
Moving with the spine. Okay? And a lot of times, how does that happen? You can feel it. Behold, it's like so got like the kneecap fully mobile. Rotations and twisting. Took from the aces. So if we're working on the foot, yeah. See, now look.